This retreat is for women, held by women, and it gives you a possibility to dive deep into the feminine. You know, you unplug from the doing world into the being world, and we come together in this really precious, sacred space. I never know what's going to emerge, but it's something very profound, of course, very deep. And it's a wonderful way that we can be together in trust and connection, coming out of that kind of competitive place and more into a supporting place. And when women step in together like this, it kind of changes our narrative around what it's like to be around women, but it also changes our narrative in who am I as a woman. And I love this exploration, by the way, because no one really teaches us what does it mean to be a woman. So in these days, we really start to explore this in a whole deeper dimension of what it means to be a woman held by women. It's a beautiful time, beautiful retreat for the spirit, for the soul, and I hope to see you there.